Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily and quickly create a 360-degree animated view using a built-in add-on that comes with Blender. So let's start on this. We have a basic scene here with a model in it. Your scene can include any number of models, the process will be same. First of all, go into the Edit menu and open Preferences. In the Add-ons section, make sure the Community tab is highlighted. Now search for Turn Around Camera. Just typing the first few letters will show the add-on, enable it and close this window. This add-on will be visible in the side panel. To see it, press N. The side panel window will open. You will be able to see a new tab with the name Animate. Turn Around Camera panel will be inside it. I am going to change the end frame to 150 just to make the animation go faster. Be sure to switch to camera view by pressing numpad 0 so we can see what our camera results looks like. Rest of the options you can leave for now. Now you can click turn around button and play the timeline animation. And there you have it. The camera is auto keyframe to move 360 degrees around the selected model. Now if you select the model in the outliner, open the hierarchy, you will see a rotation target object created. This contains the keyframes of our camera movements. You can move the frames close or far to change the speed of the camera animation. If you need to remove this animation, just right-click and select the delete option. Let's try another type of animation, that is the back and forward camera movement. First, select the model, click back and forward, it will turn blue. Then click the turn around button. If we play the result, our camera will move 360 degrees forward and backward. We are going to make some adjustments in it. Select the rotation object that was created in the outliner. You will see we have 3 keyframes. We are going to create a small portion of camera movement here instead of having the camera go complete 360 degrees. So let's move to frame position 50. Press I to add a keyframe. This will be our starting point. Go to the first frame in the timeline. Select it and delete it. Move our new frame that we just created earlier. Ctrl C to copy the frame and go to the last frame. Ctrl V to paste the new frame over that last frame. Now play the camera animation and see the result. As you can see, it is really simple to create different turnaround animated camera views. Just make sure you select the object around which the camera will move and set up the camera as needed. If you rotate or move your model later, you can reset the object's transformations by pressing Ctrl A and using all transformations. This can help to remove any unwanted camera rotations when you apply the turnaround animation. If you like, you can further make the camera movement rotation seamless by selecting all frames. Right-click and select Interpolation type to linear. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you find it useful in some way. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, leave your comments and suggestions for future content. Thank you very much for viewing. Take care everyone. See you in the next video.